How to solve systems of linear equations not in standard form. Imagine you have two equations that describe a situation, but they are not written in the usual way. Maybe they have variables on both sides or fractions. Don't worry. Solving these systems is still simple once you know what to do. First, understand that a system of linear equations involves two or more equations with the same variables. Your goal is to find values for these variables that make all the equations true at the same time. When the equations are not in standard form, it means they might look different, like y equals 2 times x plus 3, or 3 times x minus y equals 7. The key is to make these equations easier to work with. You can do this by rearranging them into a form where the variables are on one side and the numbers are on the other. For example, if you see an equation like 2x equals y plus 5, you can rewrite it as 2x minus y equals 5. This step is called rewriting or rearranging. Once you have the equations in a more familiar form, you can choose a method to solve. The first method is substitution. If one equation already has a variable isolated, like y equals to x plus 3, you can plug that into the other equation. This turns the system into a single equation with just one variable, which is easier to solve. The second method is elimination. To use this, you want the coefficients of one variable to be the same or opposites. You can multiply one or both equations by numbers to make this happen. Then, add or subtract the equations to cancel out one variable. This leaves you with an equation with just one variable, which you can solve easily. Graphing is another way. You can draw each equation on a coordinate plane and see where the lines cross. That crossing point is the solution. This method is good for visual learners and quick checks, but it's less precise for complicated equations. Let's look at an example. Suppose you have two equations, 2x equals y plus 5 and 3x minus y equals 7. First, rewrite the first as 2x minus y equals 5. Now your system is 2x minus y equals 5 and 3x minus y equals 7. To eliminate y, subtract the first from the second. 3x minus y minus 2x plus y equals 7 minus 5. Simplify it to get equals 2. Next, substitute x equals 2 into one of the original equations. Using 2x minus y equals 5, replace with 2 times 2 minus y equals 5. That gives for minus y equals 5. Subtract from both sides, minus y equals 1. Multiply both sides by minus 1, y equals minus 1. So, your solution is equals to and y equals minus 1. Always double-check by plugging these values back into the original equations to make sure they work. Remember, it's okay if the equations aren't in standard form at first. Just take the time to rearrange them, pick your method, and work step by step. With practice, solving systems of equations that aren't in standard form will become second nature. Keep practicing, and you'll see how flexible and powerful your algebra skills can be.